Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and choose your equipment options on ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by from where you can get started with choosing a workout. But before this, you need to keep in mind you need a pro subscription to be able to use ladder or the free trial that is offered to you at the beginning of the video. And once you go ahead and start the application for the first time, so once you've done that, you can now get started with choosing your theme right here in the bottom right corner by clicking the theme section, and you're going to see that at the top of the screen you have the filters. The filters are going to enable you to choose the best workout option for your equipment type. So you can choose your filter, and as you can see, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see your equipment right here where you can select up to 3. So you can select if you have barbells, dumbbells, jump rope, whatever, you're going to select it right here and click reset and apply filter. So this is going to enable you to take a look at the teams that are using only this equipment so that your workout can fit into those teams. So you can just go ahead and select the team you want to be a part of and get started following the workouts with that equipment, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.